I'm gonna go for the flash drive.
Jump by hitting the jump button. Let's practice.
Oh. The button was a little lower than I expected. Oh, usually hit it right there. Come on.
Time is running out.
Sweet. Gotta get the lane price first.
You made it.
Any chance this is actually gonna fall? Oh, it made it. It made it all the way. Going for the 4 gig flash drive.
Jump by hitting the jump button. Let's practice.
What? Are you serious? I think I just got rigged. Nah, I'm not gonna win this one. Really?
At least get a ball.
I'm not even gonna get that. Nope. Wow, that's a fail. Oh.
Look at.
Ooh, that's exciting. Maybe it actually wants to. Maybe it actually wants to build in that direction.
Choose your jump by hitting the jump
Alright.
button.
Not screwing around.
1.
Wow, that thing got fast.
Did we get extra for getting 30?
I got 30. It's my high score. Oh shoot, I even got hit. Wow. Yay, here's my 4 gig flash
You
drive.
made it! Congratulations!
It's exciting.
Get your prize.
Look at it. It's so pretty.
I'll use it for school.
Wait, did it make it? Hey, it made it. That's exciting.
Choose your prize.
Fun. Actually won something useful.
C. Race card, then the wallet.
Alright, I don't know if that one works.
Jump by
Right? Okay.
hitting the jump button. Let's practice.
2 more runs, hopefully. Jump! 19. Come on.
Time is running out.
Got it.
You made it! Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Don't forget your prize.
Alright, I'm gonna get some quarters.
Choose your prize. Jump by hitting the jump
I really hope I win it this time. I don't want to play this again. I heard that. Ah. Ooh, I got lucky. Shoot.
Give it to you unless you put a coin in.
Yeah, I know.
Time is running out.
Yes.
You made it! Congratulations!
Don't put it in there.
Don't forget
Don't play
to
that.
buy.
I think it's a piece of junk. Clever wallet. It made it. I can see it. Ooh. Look how beat up that thing is.
Can I use it?
That's a dollar store thing, dude.
Can I use it?